Hi guys, this is Ravteja. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to deal a project which is Route 53. While implementing this project, it takes much time, so don't get panic. Please watch the video till the end. Then you will be getting understand what the project is and how the project will work. While creating this project, we have to create the ACM and we have to change the name servers as well. So it takes much time. So don't. And if you really done this project, tag me on LinkedIn. I will give my LinkedIn ID in the description. Make sure that you have to practice well. Today we are going to deal a project you already know, which is Route 53. Before going to implementation, we have to understand what the project is about, right? Okay, I would like to tell you something. Suppose I am considering a domain, which is whatever the domain I am considering, one domain. In that domain, I have some content by using load balancer. I have created some load and attach it to this domain. Suppose we are assuming the project requirement is to, whenever the user is trying to hit the domain name, whatever the data we have in the domain, he will be able to get the data within fraction of seconds. Okay, this is one assumption. And second one is the website should be secure. Okay, the website should not be not secure, it should be secure manner only. Whenever the user is trying to hit the domain name, he will be able to get whatever the content we have in this domain within fraction of seconds. This can be done by CDN. You already know what is CDN, Content Delivery Network, right? By securing this domain, what we supposed to do is ACM, which is Amazon Certificate Manager. Okay, this is the thing we have to implement in this project. Okay, now we are going to learn how to implement this project, right? Suppose we are AWS DevOps students, right? So our cloud is to AWS cloud. In this cloud, you have to consider a region. The region might be Singapore, California, Mumbai, Hyderabad, whatever you can take. In that region, you have to create the VPC, which is Virtual Private Cloud. You already know what is VPC, how to create the subnets, how to create the route tables, and how to create NAT gateway, internet gateway. You already know, right? So whenever you are created the VPC, you have to launch them as well, right? After that, you have to create two instances, like two servers you have to be launched. Public instance 1 and public instance 2. Those two are in different availability zones. You can consider whatever the availability zones you want, you can take. After launching this, you have to create load balancer and then autoscaling as well. While creating autoscaling, you have to create AMI. We are creating load balancer, you have to create target groups first, right? These are the basic requirements we need while creating load balancer and autoscaling. After completion of this process, we have to create RDS, which is Relational Database Service. We have to store the data in this database, right? Before creating this database, first we have to create the subnet groups. These two are in different availability zones, right? We have to create two different availability zones subnets in one subnet group. The subnet group should be attached to the database. And the public server one is need to be attached writer instance. Whatever we are created the database, that should be attached to this, right? After completion of this process, we have to create CloudFront. You already know what is CloudFront, why we need CloudFront. The content needs to be delivered within fraction of seconds. This can be done by Content Delivery Network. The data is need to be stored in edge locations. While creating this, we have to create ACM, which is Amazon Certificate Manager. It is going to secure. And while creating CloudFront, we have to enable WAF as well. Any unauthorized person won't be access our domain. We can restrict them. After completion of this process, we have to create Route 53. After creating the Route 53, you have to create the record. First you have to give the domain name and then you have to create the record. While creating the record, you have to choose CloudFront. Alias, you have to choose CloudFront. After selecting CloudFront, you have to select the region as well. Everything I will show you while creating this, while implementing this, everything I will show you. After completion of this process, it is going to be attached. Route 53 and CloudFront is going to be attached. Then you can observe whether the data is going to deliver within fraction of seconds or not, and the domain is secure or not. These two things we have to consider. Through this project, we are considering these two things, right? Now I am going with implementation part. Open AWS console. First we have to select the region. I got selected, which is Virginia. In this, I have to create VPC first, which is virtual private cloud. Click on create VPC. Give the CIDR. Click on create VPC. After creating the VPC, we have to create the subnets. Create subnet. We have to create, you can observe here, we have to create 4 subnets, 2 public and 2 private. Select the VPC. First I am going with public subnet. Availability zones, we have to consider 2 availability zones. Availability zone 1A, because the public subnet in one public subnet is in one availability zone, another public subnet in another availability zone, right? (28), which is public subnet 1, and add new subnet, public subnet 2. Availability zone, which is 1B. And then now I am going to create private subnets. Private subnet 1. Select the availability zone, which is 1A, because the private subnet 1 is in one availability zone, which is 1A, and private subnet 2 in different availability zone, which is 1B. So that's why I am selecting private subnet 1, which is 1A. Add new subnet, which is private subnet 2. Select the availability zone, which is 1B. Click on create subnet. After creating the subnets, we have to create 2 target groups. One is for public, second one is for private. Create route table. Public route table. Select the VPC. Click on create route table. Similarly, we have to create private route table as well. Select the VPC, create route table. After creating the route table, we have to attach VPC to the internet gateway. So that's why I'm going to create internet gateway first. Project IGW means internet gateway. Click on create internet gateway. Are you able to see attached to a VPC? Click on this, select the VPC and then attach internet gateway. Now I am going to create the NAT gateway as well. This NAT gateway need to be attached private route table. Click on subnet. Here we have to choose public subnet. Click on allocate elastic IP. Click on create NAT gateway. After done this process, click on route tables. We have to edit the routes in this. Click on public route table. Edit routes. Add route. For public route table, we have to attach internet gateway. Click on internet gateway. Select this. Click on save changes. For private route table, we have to attach NAT gateway. Edit routes. Click on add route. Click on NAT gateway. It will be showing what we have created. Click on save changes. In this, we have to edit the subnet associations as well. Click on public. Click on subnet associations. Edit, which is public route table, right? So I am going to select public only. Public in subnet 1, public subnet 2, and then just save associations. For private route table, I am going to select private subnets only. Private subnet 1 and then private subnet 2. Then save associations. Okay, till now we have done virtual private cloud only. Now we have to launch 2 instances. Search for EC2. Click on instances. Click on launch instance. Public instance 1. Here in case I am going to select Ubuntu here. You can take Amazon Linux or you can take Ubuntu only. Create key pair. Click on create key pair. Network settings. Edit this. Select VPC what we have created. Click on public subnet 1. This should be enabled. And create security group. Click on launch instance. We have created only this one. Now I am going to create public instance 2. Click on instances. Do refresh. Click on launch instance. public instance to click on Ubuntu here. Select the key pair, edit network settings, select the VPC, public subnet to, this should be enabled. Select the security group, select this, click on launch instance. After done this process, we have to connect with this. Do refresh. Click on public instance 1. Connect this. Copy. Open Git bash here. Say yes. Sudo -a to become root user. Clear this. Apt install. Apt update -y. First, I am going to update the system. Clear this. Apt install. Apache 2. For Linux, we are going to install Nginx. In this case, I take Ubuntu, so that's why I am going to install Apache 2. Yes. Clear this. cdisplay / www / var / html. Enter. cd space okay, cd space /var /w /html. Enter. ls rm space index.html. ls vi space index.html. Insert mode. This is from public instance 1. Escape shift:/wq. systemctl. Restart. Apache 2. systemctl. Status. Enter. It is active and running, right? So Control C to stop this. Say it off. Enter. Now I am going to connect instance 2 as well. Click on instances. Click on public instance 2. Connect this. Copy and open Git bash. Paste it here. Say yes. clear this sudo -i to become root user. We have to update the system first. Apt update -y. Clear this. Apt install. Yes. Clear this. cd space /var/w/html. Enter. ls rm index.html. Enter. vi space index.html. Insert mode. This is from public instance to escape shift colon w2. Enter. systemctl. Restart apache 2. Enter. systemctl. Status apache 2. It is also active and running. Now what I supposed to do is Control C, say top. Enter. Click on instance. Before that, we have to do something over here, which is we have to allow the port, which is HTTP. Click on security groups. This is our security group, right? So click on this inbound rules, add rule, HTTP. Click on this save rules. Okay. Click on instances. Copy this. Paste it here. Colon 80. Enter. Okay. This is from public instance 1. Next. Similarly, click on public instance 2. Copy this. Paste it here. Then say colon 80. Enter. This is from public instance 2. Now what I'm supposed to do is observe here. After completion of this process, I have to create the load balancer and auto scaling as well. So first I am going to create load balancer. Before creating load balancer, we have to create target groups as well. Click on target groups. Click on create target group. Project target group. Select the VPC which we have created. Click on next. So select them. Click on this. Click on create target group. After creating the target group, we have to create load balancer as well. Click on load balancer. Create load balancer. Create application load balancer. Load balancer name is project select the VPC, select the availability zones, public subnet 1 and public subnet 2. Remove this, select the security group which we have created, select the target groups as well. Click on create load balancer. It takes 2 to 3 minutes. It's still browsing. Okay, wait for some time. Do refresh. Okay, it is in active state. So copy this DNS, come over here, paste it, enter. This is from public instance 1. Do refresh. The load is perfectly distributing over here, but the site is not secure. Our connection is not secure. Okay, this can make we can make this as secure. Okay, we will be let us know in further. After completion of this process, I have created the load balancer by using these two instances, right? Now I am going to create the auto scaling. Before creating auto scaling, I have to launch AMI, which is Amazon Machine Image. Click on this AMIs. Okay, before that, click on these instances. Select this public instance 1. Click on actions. Click on image and templates. Create image. Image name is project image. Click on create image. After completion of this image, I am going to create auto scaling. Click on auto scaling. Click on create auto scaling. We have to launch a template. Click on this. Project template. Then just come down. Click on my AMIs. This image I have created, right? So automatically taken. You can select the keeper, otherwise you can skip it, and then just come down. Select the security groups. Select this, and then just launch template. Then go back. Give the auto scaling group name, which is project auto scaling. Select the template. Do refresh. Okay, select this template which we have created just now. Click on next. Then just come down. Select the VPC which we have created, and then select the availability zones 1A and 1B. Sorry, public subnet 1, and then public subnet 2 we have to select, which is public subnet 2, which is in 1B, right? Public subnet 1 and public subnet 2. Click on next. Okay, I'm not attaching any load balancer over here. Then just come down. Click on next. How many servers you want to launch? Whenever the CPU percentage increase, how many servers you want to launch? Suppose in this case, I am going to launch 2 instances. The minimum is 2 and the maximum is 3. And then just come down, click on this CPU utilization. Whenever the CPU utilization greater than 90 or 80, in this case, I am going to take 90. Within 100 seconds, the new instance will be launched by using autoscaling and template by using AML. Click on next. Once review this and then just create autoscaling. Initially, it is going to launch 2 instances because we have assigned minimum is 2, right? You can observe in EC2 instances, do refresh. Okay. Click on auto scaling. Wait for some time. Okay. Click on instances. Okay. Are you able to see new 2 instances will be launched, right? By using auto scaling. Okay. Give the name. New one. And new 2. Okay. Come here. You can observe we have created the load balancer and by using these 2 instances, right? And also we have created auto scaling group by using 2 instances. Okay. After done this process, I am going to create RDS, which is relational database service. Click on RDS. Open this. Before creating database, we have to create the subnet groups because we have 2 subnets. Those 2 are in group, right? So I'm going to create the subnet groups first. Click on subnet group, create DB subnet group, and then name subnet group 1 or project. Select the VPC. So this is our VPC, right? Select this project VPC. Okay. Availability zones 1A and then 1B. Okay. Because those 2 are in 2 different availability zones, 1A and 1B. So that's why I got selected 1A and 1B. Select the subnets. Private subnet 1 and private subnet 2. Okay. Private subnet 1 and private subnet 2. So that's why I got selected these 2. Click on create. Hello. Click on create. Okay. Now what we supposed to do is we have to create the database. Click on create database. Click on MySQL. Here in this case, I'm going to select this one because we have 2 availability zones only, right? So that's why give the database name, project database, admin. Click on self-manage password. Click on confirm password. Select the VPC which you have created and the subnet group automatically taken. This is our subnet group, right? So public access, yes. And then select the security groups. This is our security group, right? Then just come down. You can check it once. Okay, everything done. So this is our cost. Click on create database. Okay, what is the asking? Your request database did not work. So we have to, here you can clearly observe that the VPC does not support DNS resolution, right? So then what you're supposed to do is click on VPC, select your VPC, click on this, click on actions, edit VPC settings, enable this and save changes. Now click on create database. Okay, close this. This is going to create. It takes 5 to 10 minutes, so don't get panic. Wait for some time. I will let you know whenever it is available. Do refresh. Okay, the database is available. So we have created the database. Now what is supposed to do is I'm going to connect EC2 instance, which is public instance one, to this database. After that, I want to create trader instance as well. By using this, I am going to create trader instance. Now I am going to set up the EC2 instance first. Go to actions, set up EC2 connection, select the instance, which is public instance one, which is select this, and then just continue. Click on setup. After completion of this process, by default it is writer instance. Okay, we want writer instance and reader instance as well. Now I am going to create reader instance. Click on this, go to actions, create replica, click on this. This is our database. Reader instance. This is our subnet group, public accessible. Select this and just come down. Enable this and then just create replica. Okay, this is reader instance. It is going to be creating. Now what I'm supposed to do is I'm going to connect database. Click on this. Before going to connect, we have to install MySQL on our servers. Here in case this RDS writer instance is connected with the public subnet one, right? So I'm going to install SQL server in this public instance. So here is our public instance. Okay, close this. Close this. Click on instances. Click on public instance one. Connect this. Then just copy. Open Git bash here. Paste it over here. Say yes. Clear this. Before that, we have to do something, which is for RDS, we have to allow the port number, which is 3306 in the security groups as well. Click on this security groups, click on this. This is our security group, right? So click on this and then edit inbound rules, add rule, MySQL, select the MySQL, click on this. The port number is 3306 and then just save rules, sudo -a. Okay, what I'm supposed to do is I'm going to update the system first. Apt update -y. I already installed Nginx, right? Sorry, I already installed Apache 2. Now I am going to restart it first. Apache 2, enter. After done this process, I am going to install MySQL in this. Apt install MySQL hyphen server, enter. Yes. After that, we have to start the service, MySQL service. Okay, clear this. Sudo systemctl start MySQL dot service, enter. Okay, now what is supposed to do is MySQL -h, copy this endpoint, click on this database, copy this endpoint, paste it here, and then -u admin, paste -p, enter. It is asking the password what we have given while creating the database. That password we need to give over here, enter. Okay, we got connected MySQL. Now I am going to do a command which is show databases, enter. Okay, we have 4 databases. Now I would like to create one database, which is create database with DevOps name, enter. Show databases. Okay, what we have created the database, it is going to be attached, right? Now what I'm supposed to do is I'm going to create the table in this particular database. So use DevOps, enter. Okay, it is using DevOps database. Now in this I am going to create the table and insert the data in this. Okay, I have some data in this, so I will share this in this description. Copy this and then just paste it over here. Okay, after that we have to insert some data over here. Copy this, paste it here, enter. Now what I'm supposed to do is the data has been added. Now I'm going to show the tables. Show tables, enter. Okay, we have a DevOps table, right? So now what is supposed to do is I am selecting the data from this table. Select start from table name. Enter. The data is showing in the table format, right? Now what I supposed to do is I am going to connect this endpoint to MySQL workbench. Then I can observe whether this data is copied from MySQL or not. So let me check. Copy this endpoint and open MySQL workbench. Open this. You are unable to connect directly because the subnets are in private, right? So that's why it is unable to connect directly. By using template, we are going to connect. Just give a try whether we are able to connect this or not. Paste it here. Sorry. Paste it here. Endpoint and then admin. Give the password over here. Click on OK. Okay. It throws an error. You can observe. Okay, it throws an error because the subnets are in private, right? So that's why it unable to connect. By using template, we are going to connect. So connect to database. Here you can clearly observe we have to change something here. In this standard TCP IP, we have to select standard TCP IP over SSH. Select this and then host name. We have to copy the public IP of instance 1 because we have attached the public instance, right? So copy this. Okay, copy the public IP and open this. Paste it here. Username is Ubuntu and then leave the password. Here we have to browse the key pair. We already created Route 53 key pair, right? So select this and then just open. In place of hostname, we have to copy the endpoint of our writer instance. Copy this, paste it here. In place of root, we have to give the admin. In this, we have to give the password and then click on OK. Okay. Okay. It is going to connecting. Here I did a mistake, which is I haven't connected the key pair correctly. Okay. Select this. In place of this, we have to give the public IP of our instance, which is public instance 1, because which is our public instance 1 connected to writer instance. So that's why I'm connecting public instance 1 only. So paste it here. In place of user, we have used Ubuntu, right? So that's why we have to give the Ubuntu over here. And then we have to browse the key pair, which we have created the key pair. So which is before that I have selected this key pair, so that's why I was unable to connect this. So this is my key pair. Select this and then just open this. After that, in place of this, we have to copy the endpoint of this writer instance. Copy this, paste it over here. In place of root, we have to give the admin. We have to give the password which we have created previously. And then okay, click on OK. Wait for some time, it is going to be connect. Okay, it has connected. So what I'm supposed to do is I'm going to show the database, how many database I have, and I have created the database in instance one, right? So I would like to check whether the data is going to be displayed over here or not. So show databases, click on this, it is fetching. So this is our database, right? Which we have created in this particular database. So it is displaying over here, right? Now I'm going to show the tables. Show tables, click on this. Okay, sorry, we have to select the database. Which database we have the tables like use, DevOps, then click on this. Okay, now you can do the command which is show tables, click on this. Okay, we have a table which is DevOps. Now what is supposed to do is select, give the table name which is DevOps, click on this. Okay, the data has been displayed over here. So this is the way we are going to connect with the database. So you can clearly observe that whatever the data we have created in this, that is appearing over here as well. So this is the way we are going to connect. Or else, if you want to connect redundancies only, then also it is possible. So, but you won't be write the data. You won't be insert the data into that. You won't be able to create database as well. So just give a try. Copy this, close this, then just MySQL workbench. Database, connect to database. We have to select TCP IP over SSH. I have copied that, right? So paste it here and write an instance. Come to EC2, copy this, and then just paste it here. In place of user, give the Ubuntu. Or else if you take Linux, you have to give EC2-user. In place of this, whenever you take the Amazon Linux while creating instance, you have to give EC2-user. So test the key pair. This is my key pair. Where is this? This is my key pair. Open this. And then in place of root, I have to give the admin, give the password which we have created in database. And then click on OK. Okay. Wait for some time. It is going to connect. Okay, you got connected, right? What I told is by using writer instance, you won't be able to insert the data or you won't be able to create the database, right? Just give a try. Show databases. Click on this. Okay. Now I want to create the data. I want to create the database by using this. Before that, I have to create the database, right? So create database with the name AWS. Okay. You can clearly observe that I'm going to copy this. Come over here. Paste it here. Running with the read-only option. So you won't be able to write. It is only able to read the data, whatever the data we have in the database. it is going to read only, but it won't be able to write. By using that endpoint, you won't be able to write, right? This part, till now we have done this part, right? So now I am going to create the CloudFront first. While creating CloudFront, or after creating the CloudFront, I am going to attach ACM, which is Amazon Certificate Manager. What this can be do is, this is going to secure the website. Okay, it is going to secure our domain name. And while creating this CloudFront, I am going to enable the WAF over there. What the WAF going to do is, it can restrict the unauthorized access. Okay, unauthorized persons, it is going to be restrict. For this purpose, we are going to use this WAF. After done this process, I am going to create the route 53. I am going to create a record in this route 53. Okay, in that record, I am going to attach the CloudFront over there. So now I am going to do creating the CloudFront. Search for CloudFront. Open this. Click on create distribution name. Project CloudFront distribution. And domain name. This is our domain name, right? Okay, my domain name is this. So I have pasted over there. Check domain, and we can also attach this some other time. So I'm skipping this. So we have a load balancer, right? So here you can clearly observe that the load balancer is need to be attached CloudFront. So in this case, I'm going to attach. Click on Elastic Load Balancer. Here you can browse the load balancer. This is your load balancer, right? Which we have created previously. So choose this and click on next. So here you can clearly observe that the web should be associated with CloudFront, right? So that's why I'm going to enable this. If you disable, it won't be attached. So select this mode and then just come down, click on next, review this, and then just create distribution. After creating the distribution, what we supposed to do is, it is deploying. Meantime, we are going to do ACM. We have to create the ACM. That ACM need to be associated with CloudFront, right? So I am going to create the ACM first. Search for ACM. Amazon Certificate Manager. Open this. Request a certificate. Click on next. Give the domain name. I already copied. Sorry. Copy this domain name. Paste it here. This is my domain name. Then just come down. Click on request. It takes 15 to 20 minutes. The status is pending. Whenever the status is issued, then only it is possible to attach. So meantime, I am going to create the record in Route 53. If I want to create the record in Route 53, I have to create the Route 53 first, right? So I am going to create the Route 53 first. I'm not doing anything. I'm going to create the Route 53. In that Route 53, I'm going to attach CNAME, which is conical name. Get started. Create hosted zones. Click on get started. So domain name, which is my domain name. Click on next. Okay, we have created the Route 53 as well. Whenever the status is available, the status is issued, then I'm going to create the record in this Route 53 as well. So do refresh, we can check. Okay, the status is pending. I will let you know whenever it is available. Now what I'm supposed to do is I'm going to create the record in Route 53 because we need domain should be secure, right? So that's why I'm going to create the record in this Route 53. So are you able to see create records? Click on this. Okay, you can check whether the record is came to hosted zones or not. Are you able to see any CNAME? Whenever you refreshing, you will be observed. Are you able to see? This is your CNAME, right? So we have to wait for some time. It's still pending. I will let you know whenever it is available. Do refresh. I would like to check whether the certificate is issued or not. Click on this. Okay, the certificate is issued. Now what is supposed to do is we have to attach this ACM to the CloudFront, right? So click on this. Before that, we have to add the domain as well, and click on this domain. We have to add the domain over here. This is our domain. Copy this, paste it here. After refreshing, it has taken which I have created. Here, as you can see, the CloudFront need to be associated with ACM, right? So that's why I'm going to attach ACM to CloudFront. After completion of this process, click on next, add domains. It is deploying. Now what I'm supposed to do is I'm going to I already created the Route 53, right? In this, I have to create a record because I need to associate it with Route 53. The CloudFront need to attach with the Route 53, right? So that's why I'm going to create a record. By using that record, I'm going to associate it with them as well. So click on create record. Alias, choose endpoint, which is CloudFront distribution, right? So select this, and this is our distribution, right? So select this as well, and then create records. Okay. Now what I'm supposed to do is we have to modify the records as well in the domain. I have already modified the records as well. So you can observe over here, domain, DNS, click on name servers. As you can see, I already modified them. You can clearly observe that 48, 7, 5, 55. So I already modified. So do refresh. You can observe whether the CloudFront is available or not, or it's still deploying. So wait for some time. Whenever it is deployed, then we will get what we want, the output properly. Okay, I will let you know whenever it is available. We have created the ACM, right? So we have to allow the traffic which is HTTPS in the security groups. So click on security. This is my security group, right? So click on this. Click on inbound rules, add rule, which is HTTPS, because our domain name should be secure. So that's why whenever you are enabling this HTTPS, then only it is possible to secure our website. Select this and then save rules. After done this process, we have to allow or we have to add the listener in load balancer, right? Click on this load balancer. Select this load balancer. Listener rules, add listener, HTTP. Select the target group. This is our target group, right? And here we have to select the HTTPS. And then we have created the ACM, right? Amazon Certificate Manager. So select over here. It is appearing and click on select. then just come down, click on add. Okay, we have to wait 5 to 10 minutes, then it is possible to get what we are expecting the output. So I will let you know whenever it is available. Then we can observe. Click on this domain, copy this domain name and paste it. Enter. Okay, we got this, right? So the website is also be secure. You can clearly observe the connection is secure. So we are expecting this, right? Whenever the user is trying to hit the domain name, he needs to be delivered within fraction of second. Whatever the content we have stored in this domain, we have stored the load balancer in CloudFront. The CloudFront is need to be attached in the Route 53. So the content is some load in this domain name, right? So I am the user. I am trying to hit the domain name. I got within fraction of seconds. So I'm going to refresh it. Okay, the load is perfectly distributing by using this domain as well. So our requirement we have done. What we are expecting the from project, we got our expectations, right? So once I would like to tell you, we are expecting whenever the user is trying to hit the website or whenever the user is trying to hit the domain name, we need to be observe what we have stored in the content within fraction of seconds. This is our requirement one, and the connection need to be secure. These are the two requirements we have. So we got the requirements. Okay. Another time, enter. Within 2 seconds, I got this, right? By using CDN, Content Delivery Network. And I am refreshing this. Within fraction of seconds, I got, and the connection is also be secure. And you can observe in this browser also, you will be able to get this. Enter. Okay, the connection is secure. So this way we have to do the project. If you don't have domain name, please comment below. I will share my domain name and you can use and do the project. So don't worry. If you have any queries while doing this project, please let me know and please comment below. I will definitely give you a reply to you. Okay. Now coming to deletion part, we have to delete them. How we have created, we have to delete from the bottom. First, we have to delete. We have created the VPC. In that VPC, we have created something, right? So before that, we have to delete this certificate. First, I am going to delete the cloud distribution, or else you can delete this records as well. So click on this CNAME, delete record, and then just delete this. After that, you have to delete the A record. Click on this, and then just delete record, delete this, and then click on hosted zones. Click on this, and then just delete. Type delete. After done this process, we have to delete the cloud distribution as well. Click on distributions, select this, and then just disable. Whenever the status is deleted, then only it is possible to delete certificate as well. Meantime, I want to delete VPC. Before deleting VPC, we have to delete first NAT gateway. Before that, we have to edit the route first. Select public route, edit routes, remove this, and then just save changes. Subnet associations, edit, deselect this, and then just save changes. Click on route tables, click on private route table, edit routes, remove, and then just save changes. subnet associations, edit this and deselect them, save associations and click on NAT gateway, select this, actions, delete NAT gateway and then just type delete this. After that, we have to detach the internet gateway, actions, detach from VPC. Okay, VPC, click on VPC, select this VPC, click on actions, edit VPC setting. Because we have enabled the DNS while creating database, right? We have to deselect this first and then just save. Click on the subnets and route tables, actions, delete route table and then just delete this. Click on delete. Click on public route table, actions, delete route table. After that, we have to delete the load balancer and instances as well. So click on instances, select them, instances, terminate, click on terminate. If it is going to be shut down, and then click on load balancer, select this, actions, delete load balancer, and then just confirm it. Click on Autoscaling, click on this, actions, delete this, and we have to delete the AMA also. Select this, actions, deregister AMA, deregister this, and then we have to delete the database. First, we have to delete the database, then only it is possible to delete subnet groups as well. Click on this, modify, deselect this, and then just continue. Modify DB instance, modify, deselect this, and then just continue. Modify, actions, delete me, delete, it is deleting. Then just select this, actions, delete me, delete. Now go to distributions, whether it is able to deleting or not. Select this. Okay, click on delete this. After deletion of this, we have to delete certificate as well. Delete and then just delete this. Okay, do refresh. It won't be visible here. Okay, we have deleted hosted zones. Wait for some time. Click on subnet groups. Select this. Delete. Okay, it's still deleting, right? So we have to wait for some time. The database has been deleted, right? Now we have to delete the subnet groups. Then only it is possible to delete the subnets in VPC as well. Delete this. Deleted. Do refresh. Click on VPC. Click on subnets. Click on internet gateway. We have to detach this first. Actions. Detach internet gateway. Now we have to delete this. Delete internet gateway and then just delete. Now we have to delete the subnets, right? Click on subnets. we have deleted the route tables. Now select public subnet, actions, delete subnet, and then just delete this. Click on the subnet, actions, delete subnet, and then just delete. Actions, delete subnet, delete. Lastly, we have to delete the VPC. Select this VPC, actions, delete VPC, and then just delete it. Delete this. So here we have deleted everything. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comments.